will be expanding faster than the fabric of space-time can keep up with it. And it'll just rip. And I'm terrified by this.
Betelgeuse, one of the brightest stars in our night sky, may have already exploded into a supernova decades ago. Recent studies suggest that this event is closer than we think. This red supergiant star, located in the constellation Orion, has long fascinated astronomers with its size and behavior. Now, new research indicates that Betelgeuse may be nearing the end of its life and could explode in a fiery supernova that would change our night sky forever. There have already been some twists in the life of Betelgeuse. The star, glowing like a radiant ruby in the Orion constellation, has surprised astronomers with its unpredictable behavior. In the late months of 2019 and 2020, it shocked stargazers as it dimmed to levels unseen in over a century, almost rivaling Bellatrix, the third brightest star in Orion. This extraordinary event earned the name the Great Dimming. However, the cosmic drama didn't end there. Like a celestial performer on a grand stage, Betelgeuse decided to brighten up again. In the current year, it has outshone all other stars in Orion, displaying brilliance never witnessed before. These breathtaking displays sparked speculations of a potential explosive end, a supernova. Because, as you know, light takes time to travel from distant stars to Earth. Orion is approximately 1,350 light-years from us. This means that traveling at the speed of light would take 1,350 years to get to Orion. This further implies that if Betelgeuse exploded, we wouldn't know for sure for hundreds of years, as we would still see its light. The best we can do is analyze its behavior to determine whether it has already gone supernova. So, has it already exploded? Most stars remain remarkably steady, glowing consistently year after year, but some stars, known as variable stars, like adding spice to their cosmic mix by changing their brightness. One famous example is Mira, the Star of Wonder, discovered in 1596 by the German pastor David Fabricius. Mira pulsates, rhythmically expanding and contracting in its stellar dance. Algol, another well-known celestial dancer, periodically performs an eclipse with its companion star. While around 30 variable stars are visible to the naked eye, it takes keen observation to detect their fluctuations. Betelgeuse, a top-tier star ranking 7th in brightness excluding our Sun, shines as the brightest among the variable stars. At times it rivals Ridddle, the blue 4th brightest star in Orion, while at other moments it gracefully dims. These variations are caused by pulsations akin to those of Mira, albeit not as massive or regular. In the celestial realm, stars usually behave themselves, but there are exceptions to this cosmic decorum. Sometimes a star unleashes a dazzling spectacle, a supernova, when it reaches the end of its life in a cataclysmic explosion. Supernovas are so radiant that some have been visible during the daytime, though such awe-inspiring events are exceedingly rare. For astronomers, a nearby bright supernova is like discovering a treasure trove of cosmic secrets. These events are their dreams come true, but witnessing one is a privilege bestowed upon only a fortunate few. So there we have it. Betelgeuse is a variable star that had a natural occurrence of dimming, right? Well, not really. Despite being a variable star, Betelgeuse's extreme dimming in 2021 was nothing short of astonishing. Within a few months, it dimmed by a staggering 60%. The reason behind this cosmic illusion was eventually revealed to be a cloud. Stars like Betelgeuse continuously emit gas and dust into space. However, a massive clump of gas, as large as the star itself, partially obscured it, causing the sudden dimming. Images of Betelgeuse showed its southern half mysteriously missing, a sign that stars, like us, have their own weather patterns. However, the recent dramatic brightening, now 50% brighter than usual, remains a mystery. Could it be a precursor to a supernova? Not necessarily. Supernovas result from explosions deep within the core of massive stars like Betelgeuse, while brightness variations are more of a surface phenomenon. One theory suggests that the dust cloud responsible for the dimming might now be reflecting light back towards us, creating the illusion of increased brightness. But we can't be certain, and this cosmic intrigue has astronomers on the edge of their seats. Betelgeuse's density hangs in the balance. About 15 to 20 times more massive than our Sun, this red supergiant star is already in the twilight of its life. Yet its celestial performance might continue for 1,000,000 years more. To astronomers, this may seem like a fleeting moment, but in human terms, it's an incredibly long time. While some models predict a supernova within a few thousand years, others extend this grand finale to a distant 1.5 million years in the future. Betelgeuse's story brims with mysteries. We don't even know its precise mass, and its exact distance from us remains a topic of debate. Some speculate that it recently merged with a smaller companion star, which could explain its unusually rapid rotation, a characteristic not commonly seen in large stars. Ancient manuscripts whisper of a different Betelgeuse, described as resembling the yellowish Saturn rather than the ruddy Mars we see today. Could this change in hue hint at rapid evolution, indicating that a supernova might be closer on the cosmic horizon? If Betelgeuse does decide to go supernova, brace yourselves for a celestial fireworks show. Located about 500 light-years away, the initial sign of the explosion would be a shower of neutrinos, massless particles that pose no harm to us. Afterwards, the star would dramatically brighten. Betelgeuse would glow as brilliantly as the full moon for 1 to 2 weeks. Over several months, it would gradually fade, remaining visible during the daytime for 6 to 12 months. At night, keen-eyed observers could still spot it for 1 to 2 years. However, after that, Betelgeuse would vanish from the night sky, leaving Orion with a noticeable absence of its crimson sparkle. While the idea of a supernova might raise concerns, especially when it comes to cosmic rays, rest assured, Earth's magnetic field shields us from most of this radiation. Cosmic rays produced by supernovas are generally not a significant threat, except for the nearest ones. A supernova explosion releases radioactive iron, which has been found in Earth's seabed and on the moon. Evidence suggests that this iron formed from a supernova explosion that occurred between 2 and 3 million years ago, at a distance of perhaps 300 light-years from Earth. Fortunately, this distance posed no major problems for life on our planet. Only a supernova within an incredibly close proximity of 30 light-years or less could spell trouble for life on Earth. Such a scenario could lead to the destruction of our planet's protective ozone layer, exposing us to dangerous levels of ultraviolet radiation from the sun. This could cause significant harm to life on Earth, including increased rates of skin cancer and other health problems. But thankfully, such a close supernova is an incredibly rare cosmic event, possibly occurring only once per billion years. Betelgeuse has long captivated astronomers and stargazers alike with its bright red glow and unpredictable behavior. This red supergiant star has played a crucial role in advancing our understanding of the universe. From Sir John Herschel's discovery of its varying brightness in 1836, to Albert A. Michelson's measurement of its diameter in 1920 using his groundbreaking beam interferometer. More recently, the study of Betelgeuse's behavior has shed light on the mysterious processes occurring inside red supergiants, such as the ejection of hot material from the star's surface. For now, Betelgeuse's cosmic performance continues to enchant and captivate astronomers and stargazers alike. The mysteries surrounding this fascinating star remain, offering a celestial enigma for us to unravel and learn from. As we continue to study and observe Betelgeuse, we may uncover new insights into the life cycle of stars and the universe itself. So let us embrace the captivating journey of Betelgeuse, for it might still grace our night sky for generations to come, providing a constant source of wonder and awe for all those who gaze upon it.